Homework, I haven't done this in a while, but it's all. Two-step inequalities, homework is all. Week 15, quiz on Wednesday before your field trip. All right, so today is November 17th. Only 5 more days till our winter break, our Thanksgiving break.
So wait, what day is Thanksgiving?
It's always on a Thursday. It's always on a Thursday.
Why a Thursday?
Why not? Two-step inequalities. All right, so last week we learned how to show work for one-step inequalities, right? So, for example, you don't have to write this down, but if it was x plus 2 is greater than 10, or x minus 2 is greater than 10, or 2x is greater than 10, or x divided by 2 is greater than 10, each of these had its own way of solving, right? And it would take you one step. Minus 2, plus 2, divide by 2, times 2, times 2. So they all had their work. You would only do one thing, and you would be done. Today, you're going to need 2 steps to solve it. Now, so, for example, 2x plus 7 is greater than or equal to, let's say, 21. Okay? Now, so it's going to take 2 steps to solve. Now, what you move first actually matters. If you move one of the numbers before the other, it will give you a different answer. So if I move the 2 first, it'll give me one answer. If I move the 7 first, it will give me a different answer. And there is one correct way of doing it. So, which one do I move first? The 2 or the 7?
The 2.
Okay. No. It's the 7.
I knew it.
Ask for it. Okay. Here's how you remember it. You start with the number furthest away from your x. Okay? So who's right next to the x?
7.
The 2. If it's 2x, they would be attached to each other. So, sorry, I don't even know what I asked. So the 2 is the closest to your x, right? Who's the furthest away on the same side? The 7. Because the 7 is separated by the plus sign. So it's like far away. It's like Eli. Eli's really far away. Evelyn is right next to the teacher. Real close to the teacher. Eli's far away. So who's walking out the door first? Eli. So Eli's the far away, so he's going to move first. Evelyn's close to the teacher. Yeah, let's do that right now. It's not like I'm teaching you anything important that will affect you later on. No. You will be doing these in high school, and next year, for the rest of your life. So, the number one thing you have to remember, which one do you move first? If you move the wrong number, you'll get a completely different answer, and a wrong answer. So here's one way to remember it. Which number is furthest away? 7. That's the one you move first. The one that's furthest away. Okay? So, how do I move it? Minus 7. Minus 7. Okay? That's your first step. What do I have left on this side?
2x.
You have a 2x. And then this becomes a 0. But do I write the 0? No. What's 21 minus 7?
14.
Now what?
Divide 2 by 8.
Now we're going to divide and divide. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Another way to remember how to do this, I'll show you in a second. So divide by 2, divide by 2. X is greater than or equal to? 7. Okay. What's order of operation? Order of operation is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, right? Yeah. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. When you are solving equations, you do it backwards. So what are you going to be doing first? Subtract, add, whichever came first. Then multiply, divide. And then if you had exponents and parentheses, that's what you would do last when solving equations. So when solving these type of things, the math that you do first is the opposite of PEMDAS. So you would be going this way, okay? In high school, you'll be dealing with this, the E and the P in high school. In 7th grade, we deal with this. It's like, okay, if I have multiplication and I have addition, what do I do first? Oh, I do these first. Or whichever number is furthest away from your x. That's the number that you move. All right, let's do another one. X over 5 minus 10 is less than 2. Okay, which number do I move first? 10. How? Adding. Plus 10 plus 10. What's the number one thing Miss Emily does is grade your work. So 2 plus 10? 12. Bring this down. And then x over 5. How do I move the 5? Multiply. Because this means division, so the opposite is to multiply by 5, multiply by 5. X is less than, what's 12?
60.
Yep, 60. All right, any questions so far? Okay. Oh, I know what to do. Kids these days. Okay, what do I move first?
8.
Yes, the 8. How do I move it?
Subtraction.
Yes. So, minus 8, minus 8. Your goal here is to get 0. So if I accidentally, let me do a mistake. I know it's hard to believe, but your teacher's going to make a mistake. If I put a plus 8 here, does this give me 0? No, it would give me a bigger problem, 16. Then I would be like, oh, I got to move 16 now. I didn't make it a 0. I made a bigger problem. We don't want a bigger problem. So we're going to do a minus 8, minus 8. So on this side, I still have 4x. This becomes a 0, which is what I want. Greater than, what's 32 minus 8? 24. Now what? Divide by 4. And x is greater than?
7.
6? Because 6 times 4 is 24, and 4 times 7 is 28. Okay, let's see. What else do I need to teach you? Here's another one. Okay. What's different about this one? The bigger fraction. You see how this fraction involves like everybody? It's not just x divided by 3. It is x minus 5 divided by 3 is less than 10. So do you notice that the fraction's way bigger? Yep. So do you think our math is going to be a little different? Yes. Yes. So when it looks like this, what number do you think we're going to move first?
3.
Yes. Yes, we are moving the 3 first. That's right, the little kids aren't here except for parent conference. There's some kids. I shall have a quiet day. Because there are certain parents walking through. And you're all distracted and staring at them. Okay, how do I move the 3?
Divided by multiply.
This means divide, so what you're going to do is to multiply. So we're going to show work, because Miss Oma, that's all she's grading, is the work. 10 times 3?
30.
Now what?
Move add 5.
Add 5. Okay. I'm building upon what you should have learned last week, the one step. And now I'm combining two things. Okay. You should be able to fit. You want me to?
I got that.
Yeah, okay.
You went too fast.
To where?
Like, I turned around for a second and boom, we're done.
I went to go close the door. I came back. You had enough time.
But we were like looking at you closely.
It's fine.
We were like studying that we did it good.
Oh my god. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one like we did right now. So. Ooh. Ooh, let's do a hard one. All right, now stay with it. Okay, what do I move first?
4
How?
times.
Okay, good. Okay, so we're going to multiply by 4. On this side I have x plus 8 greater than negative 48, right? Because a negative times a positive is a negative. Then what? How? Subtract 8. Why did I take off?
I got that too.
I got finished.
No, I got 52.
You have to check your answer.
Yeah, I had to see my math was done. Oh.
So,
Copy me.
negative 48 minus 8 makes me sad, so I rewrite it to negative 48 plus negative 8. That means that the signs are the same. It'd be negative 56. So yes, every little thing I've been teaching you about negative and about positives will also be embedded into this math, which makes it harder, I guess. All right, let's see. We'll do the easy one today. Oh my god, I'm so tired.
Why does he have something?
Okay, I'm ready to answer it.
He did it.
Say what, teacher?
Staying here no
Yes,
more.
I do.
Save me those 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Miss, that's a
Long.
very
Oh, she
small step.
knows me.
And like I'm tired, you know.
Huh?
Too much.
Miss, that could be
Yes,
too
you
steps.
do all of it. Yes, I am. Literally talk every day, bro.
Of course. Do all of it.
Can you stop?
Oh, wait, that's not gonna end.
All right. Let's do number 1 together. Pa que no digan. Okay. What number do I move first?
3.
The 3. So I'm going to minus 3, minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Bring down the inequality. What's left on this side? X over 2 times 2 times 2.
What? Oh, I got it right. I got it right. Now we all shall sleep.
What did you guys get? I want to see what you guys got.
You want to see?
12.
Yeah.
Open or close circle?
Open.
Shade. Left or right?
Right.
Good. And that's it.